This site is 1 year old site and it is growing in a perfect manner. The impressions are great, but the clicks are not that many. The average position of the site is great and okay with the CTR click through rate for a new site. As I continue working, this site will generate good income. Actually, I am not able to focus on this site and I rarely work on this site. I mean, I am not regular as time does not permit. So, what I have to say here is finding a proper niche is very important before you think of creating a site. First, find a niche that is unique, then buy a domain related to the niche, and then go for cheap but good hosting. Finding a proper niche requires a lot of time. You must spend more time on selecting a niche that should rank as fast as possible and your article should rank quickly. That is why today I'm here with a video that is surely going to help you a lot, because I will provide you a niche and give you tips on what kind of articles you should write so that your new site grows quickly. Remember, I am going to share with you my experience. Yes, my experience, because experience makes a man perfect. I am not perfect, but what experience I have gained by doing blogging in these 4 years is enough for me to know the average of blogging. Now, before I jump into the niche revealing part, let me make this part clear. There are many out there who find English content writing difficult because English is not our mother tongue. We find difficulty to write perfect English because every word does not come in our mind easily. And then there are grammar mistakes. Then we use Grammarly to check if the content that you have written is correct or not. This niche that I am going to reveal does not require you to use Grammarly at all. Why? How? Let's jump to the point. But before that, welcome to my channel. Yes, it's a multi-channel. Firstly, let's go to Hrefs keyword generator. And here I will write how to learn Gujarati. I am just taking this keyword randomly. Let us check the status first. We will check for India only because it will give us a better understanding. Now, here comes the targeted keywords. You see here the keyword difficulty. So less. Yes, the search volume show less, but it will be much more. Let us see down the other keywords. So, to get going, work on these keywords first. Write articles on these keywords so that you get going. Let's check for Marathi. Marathi is more popular and there can be little difficulty to rank. But if you work differently, you can gradually beat the more ranked sites. Check that. How to learn Marathi. 0 keyword difficulty. And also look at the other keywords there. Here so far they are showing 29 keywords, which means you have a chance to rank because there are not many keywords. Now, let's say you want to rank internationally, target international traffic. Let's try the Portuguese language, the language of Brazil. Here you see the keyword difficulty is not very high. Anything under 30 is possible to rank. Now, that was for India. Let's check for United Kingdom. You can see there is not much difference. It means you can rank your article. In this manner, you can try other languages you wish to target. Now let's check Italian language, another very popular country. Remember friends, here I am giving you just one clue. And here we go. Keyword difficulties, all in green. Not difficult to rank if you write a good article. All in all, 56 keywords just to start with a blog. Now I will show you something more here on Google. Now if you write how to learn Marathi, you can find here a lot of sites ranking, but they are all written in Marathi language. You use alphabets in English and not in Marathi. Remember, all cannot read Marathi, and those who are interested to learn Marathi, they don't know how to read Marathi. So you have to write all articles with English alphabets. Here you can see, if I write all in title, how many articles are written with this keyword. Here you can see 65 articles written so far. I have another great suggestion for you. After you publish your articles, you create a video of that article, make a YouTube channel and upload the video. The same video you upload on your article. This way it will help the people to learn the correct words, pronunciations, derive the traffic directly onto your site, meaning double profit. Your channel will grow faster and so is your blog. Now give me a thumbs up and a comment on how was this idea. Write articles of 500 to 600 words, like write articles on 10 lines on apple or oranges and other fruits. Translate them into your language. This manner you can write many articles. Google gives preference to regional languages and ranks them quickly on first page. So my friend, I have given you a very good niche. This niche will help you to write articles quickly and unique articles every day because you are going to write in your mother tongue. Also, you can be more creative in your articles. So this video was a double dhamaka. YouTube niche plus blog niche. How was the video? Was it profitable? I know I will not get any feedbacks from you guys because we all like to take benefits and don't give back anything in return. My last and final words: work hard and very sincerely every day. Blogging is not easy. You cannot earn $100 in 2-3 months. It takes a year to reach that threshold. As soon as you set up your blog, don't jump for Google AdSense when you don't have any traffic coming. No use getting AdSense, it's waste. As soon as you see traffic coming onto your site, then you can apply. First few months you will earn 1 cent, 2 cents, 5 cents per day, and in this manner it will grow. The more articles you publish, better is a chance to rank and thereon more traffic. This manner your blog will grow. There is a lot of money in blogging, same as YouTube. Even on YouTube, you have to work hard, upload videos every day, and so is blogging. Nothing comes easy. Work for 10 to 12 hours daily. That is called hard work. So, see you next time soon with another video. You guys take care. Bye-bye.